lot this morning, let me tell you what. It's been busy. A lot of stuff going on. And I got a big day ahead yet. So, I just figure I'd take me a little nap for a bit, rest up. And I got to get my dinner ready to go in the fire. Then I'm going to go on a nice long tote goat ride and do some exploring. Let's go get this meal on. I've got my Dutch oven pan here. I don't know, I just had an idea of maybe taking these onion slices and just, kind of go around the pan with them as much as they will. Like that. Let that be a kind of like a bottom layer. I don't know. It might be dumb. This isn't Hell's Kitchen or whatever. I think I might just put a little mixture of stuff on the bottom. Potatoes, I just kind of washed them and diced them up a little bit. Nothing fancy. I didn't feel like peeling them. I got a peeler with me, but now I've got some drumsticks. I just stopped at the little grocery market there in Huntington. And now everybody always says, "Oh, you eat so much." I actually eat very little of what I cook. I eat it. I take it home. I take home what I don't eat. So let's just do 6 drumsticks. This will be kind of like dinner, Sunday dinner for me. So just kind of put those around the edges because they'll probably get a little burnt on the edge. I always liked that as a kid. Dump all that in there. Alright, now we'll dump the rest of these in here. So if anything gets burnt a little bit, it would be just the vegetables. And I kind of like them nicely browned anyway. Okay. Holy cow, that's enough for 10 people. That's enough for 10 people. What on earth am I thinking? Alright, so I'm going to use, I carry some of these in my camping peppered gravy mix. Sometimes, I just want to have a little gravy on something or whatever. I'm going to just try this. Just kind of sprinkle it around on here. Use the whole pack. I don't know. I'm just flying by the seat of my pants here. Right now I'm going to put, I don't know, at least 2, maybe 3 of these I'm going to pour in with water. Probably, I don't know. I've done this before. Things I did a roast and I put like too much water. Well, oh man, that's probably too much. Well, whatever's extra will boil out. I just had an idea. I don't know if this will work or not. So what if I put that on there and then put my lid on? 'Cause I'm going to be gone for at least 3 hours or more. Maybe more. That might help keep that top stuff from getting burnt a little bit. Alright, I've been kind of keeping a fire going all morning. I don't even know what time it is here, but anyway, I think we'll set that right down in there, and we'll cover it over. Okay, here we go. I love this little Dutch oven because I got a fry pan, I got a pot, and I've got a Dutch oven, all out of the same thing. And of course that's Lodge. Most everything I've got is Lodge cookware. Well, the only thing that I have cast iron that's not lodged is that waffle iron. So we just Covered over good here. I'll be back in a few hours. Well, I had me a wreck back there. As you can see, I broke the arm off my gimbal. I'm not too excited about that. I was just getting all that stuff going so I could get some nice action video, and now I broke it. Dang it. Yeah, it's gonna be manual now, I guess. Anyway, right back in here is caves and potholes and all kind of stuff. And this is a place where the road forks. Going on around, goes back up to the slipper arch that I was at a week or so ago. Today I'm going up here to wherever that goes. It's been a rough ride here, boy, I'll tell you what. I'm on the smooth road now. This is like the freeway. Man, I've come up some rough sections. I should have got pictures of it. Maybe I'll do it on the way back. Crazy. Man, it's some beautiful country and some rough roads. Well, that's my turnaround point here. I'd like to go on down to the Sinbad petroglyphs, but that's going to be another day because I got to get back. There's another way I could go around, but man, that is a long, long ways. Most of the rough stuff I'll be going through going back will be downhill. I kind of thought this might be a nice spot to do some camping at right here, and then explore some of the stuff off these roads out here. I came over the mountains because now I'm on the south side of these mountains here. So anyway, it's been a battle. I've crashed a few times. I'm going to be sore tomorrow. Well, this little table's awful handy at times. Even though I haven't even fully used it like my intention is. I believe the beating this darn machine has taken. Oh man. Oh! I got an echo. Hello? How are you? Where are you going? I'll be back. Bye. Well, I made it back to camp, a little rattled. That is a rough road. I mean, I'm riding on a hardtail, motorized vehicle, no suspension, and a rough road like that. Good thing I don't have dentures. They would have vibrated out. Anyway, I'm excited to get back here and check out the dinner. It should be good by now. Well, this stuff's been in here close to 4 hours, I think. I really shouldn't be brushing that off with my gloves because I have wore a couple holes in them. Look at that one. And one right there. I think there's another one. They're not quite as protective as they used to be. Well, the main thing you want to do is you want to get this stuff a little away from here. Brush it off the best you can. So you have as little ash and sand and debris in there as you can. I will tell you one thing, the heat of these coals is it's pretty hot. Alright, I got to make sure I don't pick up with that middle finger and my ring finger. Because if I do, it's going to burn. Whew! It's hot even without. The moment of truth has arrived. Yeah, it doesn't look like really anything's burnt. We got that browning, that kind of browning around the edges. But all in all, we're looking pretty good here. I'm sure everything's done. Potatoes. Yeah. You could mash them with a plastic fork. Carrots, done. This is going to be a feast. I kid you not. Well, I don't think there's much of any gravy left. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That meat just fell off the bone as I pulled it out of there. Tell you what, I want to scrape the sides because when I was a kid, my mom would cook roast on Sunday, the roast with vegetables and stuff. I loved it when the vegetables are like the carrots and potatoes would kind of get scorched to the side. Oh man, that is some chewy goodness right there. There we go. That's camp cooking right there. That's good to have after 4 hours of riding on rough trail, man. Whoa. Well, feels good to sit down in this camp chair after all the slamming around I've been doing for 4 hours almost. Oh, this is so good. This is the way to wrap up a day right here. Nice meal that's been cooking the whole time we've been gone. I love doing this kind of stuff, really. You know, like you get up, you have breakfast. And I have breakfast over the fire like I had the French toast waffles, sourdough. And as soon as I got done cooking the waffles, I piled the wood on, filled that whole fire pit full of coals, and then got ready to go. I mean, you just shove that cast iron, that Lodge Dutch oven thing in there, bury it, and then go for half a day basically. Come back, dinner's ready. It's like you had some little elves or something, you know, working away, slaving, you know, somebody cracking the whip while you're away, enjoying the scenery, and then you come back, boop, boop, it's all done, sitting there waiting for you. That's the way it seems to me. I love it. Oh man, what a ride. What a ride. I just want to sleep now. Holy cow. It was crazy.